Hi guys! Quick update lang po tayo sa withdrawal kay Rich Farm or Farm 333. So, nag-upgrade na nga po yung farm nila, no? So, magwi-withdraw tayo ng 102 pesos. So, ang withdrawal time dito guys is 10 a.m. to, di ko alam yan, yung 22. So, wait na lang natin na mag-success guys. So, yan guys, no? Habang hinihintay natin na mag-success yung ating withdraw. So, ito pala yung mga plant nila. Pag VIP 1 ka, yung 100 mo kikita ng 101.5 in just one day. Tapos yung 300 mo kikita ng 304.5 in just one day. Then yung 500 mo kikita ng 507.5 in just one day. So one day lang yung ano niyan. Yung profit niyan. Tapos sa VIP to naman guys is 2 days. Yan. So, pakitignan na lang po kung magkano. Like dito sa 300, kikita ng 312 pesos in 2 days pag VIP 2 ka. Pag VIP 3 ka naman, kikita ng yung mango mo ng 60 pesos in 4 days, yung 500 mo. Then, pag VIP 4 ka naman, kikita yung 1,000 mo ng 245 in 7 days. Tapos, VIP 5, ayan. So, 11 days lang kitaan dyan. Yung 2,000 mo, kikita ng 1,100. Tapos, sa grapes, guys, yung 3K mo, kikita ng 2,640 in 16 days. No? So, yan yung makitaan dyan. So, hindi pa dumarating yung ating withdraw. Check natin, under review. So, lagay ko na lang dito sa video once na nag-success na. Hi, guys! So, nag-success na nga po yung withdraw ko. You have received 102 of GCash from. So, paying na paying pa rin po talaga to si Rich Farm. Ayan. So, check ko kung ilang days na rin si Rich Farm. So, 44 days na si Rich Farm. Still paying pa rin guys. And kumita na ako ng 5,135 pesos. So, yan. Maglo-long term pa to guys. Kaya try nyo na. Subukan nyo na si Rich Farm guys kasi tatagal to, maliit lang yung kitan. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. Invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye bye!